From a driver who doesn't know what a red light is, to a driver who failed to merge from the right. Welcome to Nut Jobs in Cars. This driver loses control of the wheel for not keeping their eyes on the road. Shopping parking lots are where you find the worst drivers. The driver in the red car tried to run a red light, but the police were watching him. This next driver tried to cut in front of a moving truck. The driver in the white car failed to notice the police and assumed everyone was stopping for him, like he was royalty.
A great time not being at work for 3 weeks. What the?
Don't be like this guy and try to make a U-turn on a road like this.
Jesus Christ!
The lady in the car forgot just how long trucks are. Don't you just hate drivers who ignore the speed limit and hog the lane? This nut job goes off-roading to cut the line, only to still end up waiting at a red light. That's him on the left turning lane. Here's a key reason why you shouldn't speed or make sharp turns when it's raining. The way the white SUV thought he had the right of way just because he used his blinker is so infuriating. The truck driver casually making an illegal turn.
And by the afternoon, some flurries are going to be headed our way as we reach a high of just 39 degrees. Right now it's 47 in Oxford Circle, 48 degrees in Woodbury, and 40.
Watch how this nut job casually cuts to the front of the line. A nut job stole a car, went joyriding, and then crashed it. A clear red light for the taxi driver, but he chose to risk his life and others. Watch the nut job in the black pickup truck. This is how you don't maneuver around a roundabout. Never drink and drive. This driver was caught on the apartment complex's CCTV trying to reverse into the parking garage. Some drivers need to learn to stick to their lane. Watch how the oncoming cars cut through while making a turn. That's all for today's video. Comment below which nut job shocked you the most, and if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel.